and welcome back to Succit. So today I'm going to show you all how easy it is to propagate a string of hearts. All you need is a string of hearts and then either a clippers or a scissors, and that's pretty much it. So it's a way to propagate this plant to create many more. So let's get cracking. So the clippers here I got on Amazon, and you can get them really cheaply on Amazon. You can also get them in a garden centre for about £5. And then the scissors I got in Tesco's for €1. Just need something really sharp to do the cutting. So firstly, with the clippers on this first piece, I'm going to just cut off, let's say over the second load of leaves. And then the bottom leaves here, that's where the nodes are, just right there. So I'm going to take off those leaves to show the node, and that's where the roots will grow, just right there once this is put into water. And then with the scissors this time, I'm going to do the exact same thing, cut it there, take off the bottom leaves just to show the node, and that's where the roots will grow. And this here is one I propagated a few weeks ago. It's just been sitting in water for maybe 3 or 4 weeks, and you can see really healthy long roots. This is ready to plant. And then water propagation, you get your cuttings, get the nodes and just pop them in water so the water covers both sets of nodes. 1 and 2. And that's how easy it is. And that's it. That is how you propagate a string of hearts. I hope you find that really easy, and if you do give it a go, please let me know by leaving a comment below. That rhymed, yay. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is robo_jojo. My website is succit.ie. And that's it for Succit Sunday. I will see you next week. Bye.